Today I bring you to Noblet Park, Columbus, Indiana. I am quite the distance from home. I drove all this way for one thing only. And when you see that one thing, you're gonna know why if you know me. Sorry, I'm trying to get my bearings which way we're gonna go in. You know, I'm thinking down there to the right, I don't know. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at in a minute, just hang on. Yeah, I drove a good distance just to get to here. Now, there may be some wind interference with my bigger camera. Let's hope not. Yeah, we're going that way. All right, guys, the next shot, you'll see why I drove all the way here for one thing. One thing! Sad to say, I could not find any history on this railroad bridge. I love anything related to trains. I think I get that from my father. We drove a long way just to get this railroad bridge, and it is quite spectacular. Sorry again, I could not find any history on this location. I drove all this way, guys. That's right. For this. I guess it would be considered a railroad bridge. It's beautiful. See, guys, to me, this is beauty right here. Oh my word. Oh, and we're going to go ahead and go down before we leave here, probably to that wall. I got some things to talk about that, and yeah. The sad truth is I have no history about this. I'm going to be able to put on the B-roll. So I'm just going to have to put in something that comes from my mind. Why I drove this many miles just to see this. I was looking for places, you know. I was like, hey, have we ever been to Columbus, Indiana? And it's just like, not that I know of. So I was looking for places to get, and seen a video the guy did with this in it. And I was like, oh my God, we gotta go. Got some woods right through here. Now, if I'm not mistaken, there's a couple other places here in Columbus I could do some filming on, but I don't know, it's not exactly for me. I'll tell you about it once we get further up this way. Oh my God, this is beautiful. There's a little walking bridge right over yonder there. We almost came that way. But no, this place has a tower, and the tower is right on a place they call Death Valley. Death Valley has something to do with the river, I guess. Please don't quote me on this, because I may be wrong. Look at all these boulders right here. Yeah, it's on a river, the Death Valley is, and evidently they had a flood and a lot of people lost their lives. Plus they have a teeny little baby waterfall. Yeah, we won't be filming that, guys, but holy smokes, look at the size of that tree right yonder. Oh yeah, I'm going to shoot some beauty as I'm talking, y'all. Yeah, I've seen a total of 3 videos with this bridge in it, and the little trail we just came up. I'm gonna look and see if I can find my wife and Kitt. I think they went on over that way. We'll talk more about the videos, but right now let's just get a couple more shots of the bridge. Let's go all the way to the end, and then we'll head back and I get some GoPro time to tell you about the videos and what they were all about. I am right up and underneath the bridge. I'm getting some B-roll shots just in case I can find any history of this. Just in case I get lucky enough and find the age of this. Anything will do. But wow, look at that. Such beauty. My word. See, if you know me, you'll know why I would drive this many miles just to get this. I don't know why I have a thing. Well, yeah, I do know why I got a thing for railroad tracks. Oh, wow. So beautiful. See, what I'm probably going to do is when I'm doing the editing, I'm going to take a snapshot of this. I'm going to take it down Walgreens and have it printed out to a poster. And I will hang this on my wall. To me, this is beauty. Alright, let's jump on the GoPro and let's go find my wife and my dog, and I'll tell you about the 3 videos I've seen here. The first video I seen, which is what the video that sold me, this guy, he actually got a drone shot of this. He came down, pretty much did what I did now, and that's the first video I seen of this place. But I wanted to learn more about it, so I looked on YouTube for other videos. The second video was like a Halloween skit type of video. It looked to be of a man and his daughter coming here, and they was talking about a monster or some sort. And it was a pretty good skit, actually. I liked it. I enjoyed it. And that was all done here. They made that skit, and I'm going to show you one other part that they had in the skit as well. And the third video I seen was these two younger girls, paranormal investigators, down here just doing a walkthrough because supposedly, well, possibly, I don't know, it's talking about how this place might be haunted. Anytime you get a place like this, there's always going to be something about it being haunted. Is it haunted? I don't know. I'm not here for that. But if it is haunted, and if it does have a monster, yeah, that was said too, you're more than welcome to jump out and say howdy to me. We can become friends. We're going to go up to a spot that was actually in the father and daughter's video. And I told Angie, I said, if we see that, I got to go up to this spot because in the video, they couldn't go beyond this spot. I'll tell you about it when we get up there further. See that little wall right there? That's what was in the video. In the video, the father and daughter, oh my word, there's water down there. We're going to get that in a minute too. But in the video, they said they couldn't go past this wall. As they went past this wall, the monster would get them. And I see a trail. And I see water. I'm going to mention Flat Rock River maybe? Or creek? I could be wrong. Please don't quote me. Guys, I'm sorry. I did try to do my homework. But not good enough, huh? Okay, we're going past the wall. We'll see if the monster gets us. Yeah, I was going to do this next shot on my G70, but that wind picked up. Holy smokes, what is that? Now, guys, like I said in my last video, I'm like squirrel. My mind goes to other things instantly. I don't know what that is, but it's beautiful. But we're going to get down here and get some of this creek. Man! Go ahead and put down the comments, guys. I did know the name of this creek. I keep thinking it's Flat Rock Creek or Flat Rock River, something like that. Please put down in the comments, Mike, you could do better. Okay, we're going to get this couple shots right here on the G70. I hope the wind doesn't mess it up too bad. There's a big concrete slab here. I have no idea what it's all about or where it's from, but it's quite beautiful. You got to run out. Okay, that was my GoPro. You got a runoff here, and right over here is this huge concrete slab. Oh my word. Here's this creek, or it may even be a river. I'm thinking the name of it is Flat Rock Creek, Flat Rock River. I don't know, maybe Angie might know the name of it. Shoot. I hate it when I forget things like that. Okay, from here on out, we'll probably use the GoPro as that wind is starting to pick up, y'all. This is quite the place. I'm trying to walk through the brush right here, and I stab myself with, oh, just kind of almost did. Oh, I'm glad I caught that. But anyway, this is quite the place. I do like it here. Although Columbus, Indiana, it's a pretty big city to me. It's a city of 10,000 people. I am breaking into the video. I was not even close. It's not 10,000. It's 51,522 in 2023. That's the real population. Okay, back to the video, guys. Even Kitt loves it out here. Ain't that right, Bubby? Huh? He's pulling Angie like crazy. You got to do a number 2?
Here he did.
Oh, here he did. But here it is. We'll get a shot of the GoPro on this. Oh my word. This is quite beautiful. I almost want to go up and kiss the wall. I know that might sound strange to you guys. I get it. But you don't understand how beautiful this looks to me. And by the way, I think I scratched my leg with that tree down there. Oh, my good old GoPro started acting up again. Yeah, that's the other reason I'm buying another GoPro. I'm going to use this one for G-rolls. I'm going to use my other one for other things and use the new one for what I'm doing now. Yeah, I've had nothing but trouble with GoPro 10, yeah. But anyway, wow. We're going to probably get a shot of a little walking bridge. Then we might close her out from there. This is quite the place, isn't it? Now, before we leave here today, Angie and I will probably go look-see around a little bit and see if we can find other places. And yeah, if you're laughing because I said this place was big with 10,000 people, to me it is. The town I live in is only 3,000 or something. But it wasn't a bad-looking town. A lot of beauty here, though. Oh, my word. There's a lot of beauty. Okay, right up here's this little wooden bridge. I'm gonna get it on here. And you know what? Right now there's no wind. No wind! Maybe I'll pop out the G70 and get the wooden bridge on that. Yeah! Put it to work, huh? Make it earn its keep. Yeah. It's kind of a pretty little bridge right there, isn't it? Yeah, see, we almost went this way over to the railroad tracks, but we decided not to. Not a bad looking bridge at all. I likes it. Okay, I got to zoom in just a little bit. One more shot of that bridge. Now, would I drive a distance again to another bridge? You dang straight I will. That's right. I don't care. So I think it's pretty. Not a bad little park, huh? Figure we'll get a pan around, at least from the side of the park we're at. Big, huge open field right out yonder. You got neighborhoods over yonder there. And this is where we parked at. Not bad at all. Alright, let's jump back on the GoPro and possibly finish her out. I almost didn't come here today, yeah. We headed on the docket to come out here today, and out of nowhere I was like, oh, maybe I want to kind of go get a waterfall. See, there's a couple waterfalls we want to get too. Then I said, you know what, let's go ahead and get that bridge and we'll get the waterfalls maybe in spring or something, or maybe the next couple weeks. But I will tell you something about the park. Of course, right now it's not busy, but I have seen some hikers, joggers, and walkers, and it's quite nice. It's huge. Oh my word, is it ever. Come on, get me a drink, put the G70 away, and then let's give our closing thoughts. By some chance, this place didn't work out. My plan B, believe it or not, was another covered bridge, yeah. There's one not too far from here that I'm saving on the back burner for a plan B if we're ever out in this vicinity. Yeah, it's not a bad bridge, not a bad one at all, but I'm saving it. I actually have a couple other covered bridges I'm saving too. And I have another one I'm going to be getting in the future for sure. Alright guys, leave your comments down below. Isn't that a beautiful little train bridge right yonder? Isn't it? It's the prettiest thing you've ever seen? And can you believe I drove this distance? We are 75 miles, close to 80 miles from home. Just for that. Well, it ain't just for that. We're going to be checking out and exploring some other places around here before we head back. Alright guys, till next time, thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below. Please hit that like button. It does my video wonders. It gets it out to other people to see. It does. And we'll catch you next time on the next adventure, okay? Come on. Let's get out of here. Oh yeah. It was great today. I enjoyed it.